everybody, this is Thomas, and this is yet another tip of the week. This week, I would, as you can see here, I have my AutoCAD open. I want to give you a little technical detail about the ribbon and what happens if sometimes, for example, you try to open your AutoCAD directly through the project manager and the impact extensions do not load. That is actually a very common thing that happens once in a while, and a lot of times because you install, uninstall, and then install, for example, an update over the previous version, it can happen that, you know, when you open your AutoCAD for the first time, then the impact extensions do not load. So what do we do then? And again, this is a thing that if you know, you know, or if you don't know, you just don't know. So you have to call the support. And this is the first thing basically I learned when I worked in the support for like 4 years ago. And I'll show you right away what we do. We do this QE load, CUI load. We use this command. And this is where you can see all of your load or unload customizations of your ribbon up there. So you will see that in a situation that those do not load, they are actually here. So you see the impact modules is the impact RC, the precast base, double wall, element, elevation, formula plan, and of course we have the calculation and the beam and block, which are not loaded right now. So I will say unload. And slowly I will unload everything because this is very important to unload first everything to make sure that they are working. Unload, and the last one is unload. Press close. And now you will see that we are back into having a clear AutoCAD. We use the same command again. And now we just say browse. The browse takes us directly to this file that it is automatically made, and then we find the same fields, impact RC, open, and then you press load. Then you go browse, and then you continue with precast base, open, load, comes up here, browse, precast double wall, open, load, yeah, and so on. Say load. If you try to do the same and find, for example, impact elevation, say open, and then you say load, it will give us that the name already exists, right? So there's no problem. That's it. Say close, and hopefully all of your things are here. And we go back to your plan, and then works. We take wall, we start drawing our walls, and continue drawing our drawings as we know. That's basically it for me today. Thank you so much. Have a great day. I'll talk to you soon again. Bye bye.